Please tell us your name,
Sir, my name is Abhishek Sahu.
your roll number.
My roll number is 302466.
Okay, then give a brief introduction.
Sir, my name is Abhishek Sahu and I have come from Noyagod district. Sir, I have completed my graduation in BSc Forestry in College of Forestry, OUT Bhubaneswar, and currently I am pursuing my MSc degree from College of Forestry, OUT Bhubaneswar, and this is my first attempt in Odisha Civil Service examination.
Technical remarks.
Okay. Okay.
ओडिशा विषय की पढ़ाई करते थे
Yes, sir.
कौन पढ़ते हैं
Sir, my state.
कौन इतिहास संस्कृति ना कौन अर्थनीति ना राजनीति ना कौन
Sir,
जंगल इतिहास
sir,
ना राजस्व इतिहास ना कौन
to some extent,
डेवलपमेंट और कौन
sir, I have read something about Odisha, but I cannot say that in particular topic I can elaborate.
ओडिशा रे जान करिए पर ओडिशा विषय जानिए बोले ना
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ना बोली दी ओडिशा लोग
No, sir. No, sir.
कितने जनसंख्या ओडिशा रे
Sir, it is approximately 4 crore and 79 lakhs according to 2011 census, sir. Yes, sir.
कितना सब डिवीजन अच्छी
Sir, there are 58 subdivisions in Odisha.
ब्लॉक
Sir, 314 blocks, sir.
तहसील
Sir, 317 tahsil, sir.
कितने
317.
अच्छा
Yes, sir.
अर्बन लोकल बॉडी कितना अच्छी
Sir, I am unaware of this fact, sir. Sir, I cannot recall right now,
ଆମେ
sir.
ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟା ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣମାନେ କି କହିଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ପିଲାମାନେ
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
କୋଉଠି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କି
No,
କହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଶୁଣି ଯଦି କହିଦେବେ କି
No, sir. No, sir.
अच्छा अर्बन लोकल व्हाट इज द कांसेप्ट ऑफ अर्बन लोकल बॉडी व्हाट आर द रिसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स
Yes,
ऑन
sir.
अर्बन डेवलपमेंट
Sir, urban local bodies are the types of local self-government system of governance which was introduced in the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in the year 1992 and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act in the year 1993, sir. And regarding recent developments,
अर्बन लोकल बॉडी रो की प्रकार कार्यक्रम सरकार ग्रहण करछंती
sir, to enhance the urban local body and also other developmental activities, the government is taking many steps.
होउची डेवलपमेंट लागती
Sir,
अर्बन एरिया में शहर परा
yes, sir.
लोक गां छाड़ी शहर को आछंती
Yes, sir.
शहर पे कोन डेवलपमेंट बाकी अछि जो हम बरहमपुर टाउन में किछ बाकी अछि ना राउरकेला बाकी अछि ना कटक भीतर बाकी अछि कोन डेवलपमेंट
Yes, sir. Sir, I agree with your fact, sir. Though these towns,
whatever I told
sir, agree with your.
you accept it as a fact whatever I have told
I'm sorry, sir. It is not a fact. I agree with you, sir. Regarding
पूजा
the,
को ठीक होची
sir, as you said, ki, sir, as you said, urban local bodies are somehow developed, but there are also
my
some.
personal view
Yes, sir.
fact or not you will take
Yes, sir. Sir, there are also scope for improvement in developmental and other sectors in urban local bodies like Berhampur, Bhubaneswar, or Cuttack and Rourkela.
in which sector I
Uh,
want to know about that particular sector in which sector development is required
Sir, there are so many sectors. To name some of them, I can tell the drainage system. There should be a scope for improvement in sewerage and drainage system and sanitation system. Also, sir, there is a problem of urban poverty. Sir, a lot of people are dwelling in the slum area. In cities like Bhubaneswar, we can see, and also Cuttack, and also Rourkela and Berhampur. But for them, the government is trying to implement new schemes like Jaga scheme or Jaga mission, which also recently has got the UNESCO UN Habitat award recently. So, sir, these are the incentives.
ओके ठीक अछि तबे आपण तो साइकोलॉजी फॉरेस्ट रखछन
Yes, sir.
इटा को फॉरेस्ट गोटे प्रकार साइकोलॉजी गोटे प्रकार
Yes, sir.
मनस्तत्व स्टडी करी
Yes, sir.
मनस्तत्व पढ़िले आपण
Yes, sir.
एटा आपन ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट अछि
Yes, sir.
मार्क आनिए भाई
Yes, sir.
तला ओरिजिनल सब्जेक्ट इज योर बीएससी फॉरेस्ट
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये तेरे फॉरेस्ट
Yes, sir.
कोण करिवे आपण एवढा का आपण वैसे साहाय्य करिवो
Sir,
भाबुଛନ୍ତି
sir, I believe that these subjects will help me in the real work field, like the principles or concepts of forestry and also from psychology. Will,
तहसीलदार वीडियो सब कलेक्टर है फॉरेस्ट को वाटर
sir, in my opinion, sir, there are some concepts of forest.
आईएफएस देवे को एफएस देवे कि असिस्टेंट
Yes, sir.
कंजर्वेटर फॉरेस्ट है कि कौन है डीएफओ ये जो कौन फॉरेस्ट रेंज ऑफिसर है कि कौन है
Yes, sir.
हां आ वैसे जाने के लोग कौन फॉरेस्ट कौन करेंगे कार कौन करेंगे
Sir, during the watch period of a tahsildar or a block development officer, I believe that there are some scope of improvement in the, for example, in a urban area.
नंबर में रोल আছে कि फॉरेस्ट डेवलपमेंट है
No, sir. No, sir. There is no.
वीडियो नंबर की रोल আছে
Sir, in case of an urban plantation or any area, for example, there are some roads.
ब्लॉक एरिया ଗୋଟେ अर्बन एरिया ଭିତରେ ଆସୁଛି ब्लॉक एरियाଟା
Sir.
ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଏରିଆଟା କ'ଣ अर्बन एरिया ଭିତରେ ଆସୁଛି
I'm sorry, sir, to say that, but in case of a tahsildar, sir, he can also go for some or implement some concept of forestry, like in the village area, like social forestry, agroforestry.
ଗଛ ଲଗେଇବେ
No, sir, there is a scope to inculcate the activities of forest department.
କେମିତି କରିବେ ତହସିଲଦାରଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ରୋଲ୍ ଅଛି ତହସିଲଦାର ଗଛ ଲଗେଇବେ ମାନେ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇବେ
Sir,
ନହେଲେ ଯେହେତୁ ଆମର ସଏଲ୍ କନଜରଭେସନ୍ ବାଲା ଅଛନ୍ତି କାଜୁ ଗଛ ଆମକୁ ସବୁ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଲଗାଉଛନ୍ତି ୟୁକାଲିପଟାସ୍ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଲଗାଉଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର
sir,
ସଏଲ୍ କନଜରଭେସନ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମୃତ୍ତିକା ସଂରକ୍ଷଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ
sir,
ହର୍ଟିକଲଚର ବାଲା ତ ତାଙ୍କର ଫଳ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଲଗେଇଲେ
sir.
ତହସିଲଦାର କୋଉଠି ଲଗେଇବେ ଆଉ ପଇସା କିଏ ଆଦାୟ କରିବ ତହସିଲଦାର କାମ କ'ଣ ସେଇଆ
No, sir, he is not directly involved in that particular plantation program, but as I have some technological knowledge about forestry, so this knowledge I.
ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଜଏନ୍ କଲେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବେ ନା ଆଉ
Yes, sir.
ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ତହସିଲଦାର ହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ
Sir,
ଛାଡ଼
yes, sir.
କହିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
Sir.
ଆଚ୍ଛା କେତେ ଟାଇପ୍ର ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ଆମର
Sir, according to the forest classification of India, we can find 16 subtypes of forest in Odisha. The major types are the tropical dry deciduous forest or tropical wet deciduous forest, and there are some patches of sal forest in Odisha also, and also we can find the mangrove and slum forest.
major classifications
Sir, there are 5 major classifications according to forest classification of Odisha, done by Champion and Seth in the year 1935. Some 5 major types are tropical forest, subtropical forest, mountain subtropical forest, mountain Himalayan forest, and the alpine and tundra.
ହେଲା
Yes, sir.
ରିଜର୍ଭ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ କୋଉ କାଟେଗୋରୀ
Sir, these are the legal classification of forest according to the forest administration, sir. But according to vegetation and ecosystem, that is the 5 major types and 16 subtypes according to the forest classification of India. But the protection is
ରିଜର୍ଭ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଆସିବ
no, sir. Sir, as you said,
ରିଜର୍ଭ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ କୁଆଡ଼େ ପାଇବ
sir, as you said, protection forest, reserve forest, and village forest. These classification is the according to the legal system or the administrative system of forest classification. But as I said before, the 5 major types and 16 subtypes, these are the ecological classification of forest.
ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ କୋଉ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ
So the protected forest are a type of forest which are grown for the purpose of protection of the forest and wildlife. So these are the protection forest. So yes, sir.
ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ କାଟିବାକୁ ପରମିଶନ ଦରକାର
Yes, sir. Permission is always required.
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ କାଟି ଦେଇପାରିବେ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଭିତରେ କୋଉ କାଟାଗୋରୀ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି କହିପାରିବେ
Sir, I cannot recall it right now.
ଏ ଯେଉଁ ସରକାର ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି କମ୍ପେନସେଟରୀ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ
Yes, sir.
Do you know anything about that?
Sir, I have read somewhere about this, sir. I have read somewhere about this, sir.
कौन compensatory afforestation कौन देगा?
Sir, this is a type of compensating the losses due to loss of green cover due to any industrial activities or establishment of any industrial corridors. So the companies who are establishing any new industrial corridor or any company, they will compensate that compensate with in financial assistance to the central government, so that it will be distributed among the state governments to enhance the forest
Okay.
sector.
What are the special species of forest?
Yes, sir.
Species, forest species
Yes, sir.
available in Odisha state.
Sir, Odisha is famous for sal forest, sir, particularly, and there are also patches of teak forest. But there are in the forest species, sir, we can find the dhaura, the phasi, kossi, and another kusuma, and horida bahada. These are also forest species. Arjuna. Sir, teak is not naturally a forest species of Odisha, but some patches of teak are found in Nuapada district also. Sir, Nuapada district also. Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, I have read that teak is found.
Sir.
Sir,
Chandan?
sir,
Chandan?
sir, Chandan, the tree species that is particularly exclusively found in the Karnataka state of India, but it is not a naturally grown in Odisha. It not.
ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ଚନ୍ଦନ ଲାଗୁ ସେଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକରେ ଅଛି ନା କୋଉଠି ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଅଛି?
Yes, sir. The Chandan required for Lord Jagannath generally comes from Karnataka, Mysore region, sir.
ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଭଲ କଥା ବଢ଼ିଆ କଥା ବହୁତ କଥା ଆପଣ କହିଲେ କି
Sir,
ଯେ ମୋ ବ୍ଲିଚିଂ ହବ
sir,
ମୋ ଭାବନ ମୋ
sir,
ବ୍ଲିଚିଂ
sir.
ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ତ ୟୁ ଅଫର୍ ଟୁ ଭେରି ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ସାଧା ସିଧା
Sir.
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ମୋ ବ୍ଲିଚିଂ ମାଡ଼ଗୋଳ ଆସିବ ଦୂର ହେଇଥିବେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିବେ ଘେରାଉ କରିବେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ ତାକୁ?
Sir, first of all,
ସାମ୍ନା କରିବେ
sir, first of all, I will take the help of the local police and first of all inform them.
ପୋଲିସ ଇଏ କରିବେ ପୋଲିସ ଉପରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଇମ୍ପ୍ରେସନ୍ ଭଲ ଅଛି ପଇସା ଖାଇକି ଲୋକ ନାଁରେ କେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପଇସା ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଡୁ ୟୁ ବିଲିଭ୍ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ ଦେମ୍?
Sir, yes, sir, I have belief in the law and order system that is done by the police, and some, yes, sir, as you said, there are some instances.
ଦେଇକି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହିବେ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କରିବେନି
No, sir, I will not do that.
ଡୁ ଆପଣ ଗୁଳି ଦେଖେଇବେ କରିବେନି ବୋଲି
No, sir.
ଏମିତି ହେଇଛି ନା ଆଉ
Yes, sir.
ଆପଣ ସିଗ୍ନେଚର ଆଟ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ବାୟନଟ୍
Yes, sir.
ତାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଆମର ଜୀବନରେ ଆମେ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇକି ଚାକିରି ପଳେଇବା ଆପଣ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରନ୍ତୁ ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଦେଖିବେ ଆମେ ସରି ସାର୍ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ସାଇନ୍ କ'ଣ କରିବେ ତୁମ ବନ୍ଧୁକ ଅଛି
No, sir.
ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କରିବେ ପୋଲିସ ସବୁ କେଉଁଠି ମୋ ଲିଞ୍ଚିଂ କ'ଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଶାନ୍ତ କରନ୍ତୁ ଦୁଷ୍ଟ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ପାଟିତୁଣ୍ଡ କରୁଥିବ ଏଜୁକେଟିଂ ଶାନ୍ତ କରିପାରନ୍ତି ବୁଝେଇକି
Sir, in my opinion,
ଆପଣ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଥିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଟା ହେଲାନି ସେଟା ହେଲାନି ଏ ସ୍କିମ୍ରେ ଆମକୁ ମିଳିଲାନି ମୋତେ ଇନ୍ଦିରା ଆବାସ ଘର ମିଳିଲାନି ମୋତେ ପାଇଖାନା ମିଳିଲାନି
sir,
ଆମ ଗାଁରେ ରାସ୍ତା ହେଲାନି
sir,
ସାର ମିଳିଲାନି ବିହନ ମିଳିଲାନି ଘୋ ବ୍ୟାପାରୀ
sir.
ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆସିଥିବ 500 ଲୋକ କେମିତି କ'ଣ କରିବେ?
Sir, first of all, I will try to reach out the local leaders or their representatives.
ଲୋକାଲ ଲିଡର ତ ସବୁ ମୂଳ କାରଣ ସେଇମାନେ ତାକୁ ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକ ବି ଗଣ୍ଡଗୋଳ କରନ୍ତି
Sir,
Anyway, ହେଲା why did you are good in forestry,
sir,
you are science student, ହେଲା
sir,
ଆଉ ତାପରେ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ରଖିଲେ ଫରେଷ୍ଟ ରଖିଲେ ବେସିକାଲି ସାଇନ୍ସ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରଶାସନ ଭିତରେ ଆସିକି କ'ଣ କରିବା ଅଧିକ କାହିଁକି ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଏଥିରେ ଆଜିକାଲି ତ ଦରମା ସବୁ ସମାନ ହେଇଗଲାଣି
sir,
ଆପଣ ମୋ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଫାଇନାନ୍ସ ସର୍ଭିସ୍ ୟା ପୋଲିସ ସର୍ଭିସ୍ ୟା ସବୁ ହେଇଗଲେଣି ତାଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଗରୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆଗେ
sir,
ରିଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରିଂ କରାଗଲା
yes,
ହେଲା
yes, sir.
ଆପଣ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କ'ଣ ପାଇବ ଅଧିକ?
Sir, in my opinion, sir, Odisha Administrative Service provides a large arena of sphere to serve the people and reach out a larger section of the society, sir. So
serve the people.
yes, sir.
In which way you serve?
Sir, in the area, in every aspect like education, health, administration, including
କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ବୟସ ସେମାନେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
sir, to some
ସେବା ମନୋବୃତ୍ତି ଅଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର।
sir,
ବୟସ ଅଫିସର ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଏବେ ଆଇଏସ୍ ଅଫିସର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସେବା ମନୋବୃତ୍ତି ଅଛନ୍ତି।
sir,
ଅଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଗରିବ ପିଣ୍ଡାରେ ହିଁ ବସି ଦୁଃଖ ସୁଖ ହଉଛନ୍ତି, ବୁଝୁଛନ୍ତି।
sir, I accept your words. That,
ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏରିଆରେ ନୟାଗଡ଼ ପାଇଁ
yes, sir.
ଆପଣ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଗାଁ ଗାଁ ବୁଲିକି ଭଲ ମନ୍ଦ କରି ସବୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
Sir, I have seen some honest officers who are doing the work, sir, and also there are some instances I am coming across the newspaper that some young officers and some young enthusiastic officer also
ଆପଣ ଅନେଷ୍ଟ କରିକି ରଖେଇଥିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନେତା ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ଏମଏଲଏ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ
Yes, sir.
ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି? ସବୁ ଏମଏଲଏ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଏମାନେ ସବୁ ଭଲ ସଚୋଟ ଲୋକ।
no, sir. Sometimes there are some political pressures and also propaganda and others.
Legal
But
pressure ପଡୁନି?
sir, yes, sir.
ନୟାଗଡ଼ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଏମଏଲଏ ମାନେ ଲିଗାଲ ପ୍ରେସର ପକଉନାହାନ୍ତି?
Yes, sir. That is.
ପକଉନି ଲିଗାଲ ପ୍ରେସର?
Sir, I am not sure about, sir, but I have read somewhere.
How will you manage that time?
ସେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖି ଚାହିଁକି ଦେଖେଇକିରି କରିବେ ସବୁ ଯାହା କରିବେ?
Yes.
ତମେ ସେଠି କେମିତି ମ୍ୟାନେଜ୍ କର?
Ma'am, I will first of all try to stick to the rules and procedures in particular situations
ପାରିବେ?
that can be done.
ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ବା ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ଆଇଏସ୍ ଅଫିସରଙ୍କୁ ସ୍କେପଗୋଟ କରି ମେଣ୍ଢା କରି ରଖିଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଗୋଷ୍ଠୀ ପଣ୍ଡା ଭଳିଆ ଆଇଏସ୍ ଅଫିସରକୁ ବସେଇ ଦେଲେ କେମିତି କରିକି ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରି ପକେଇଲେ, ଗୋଟେ ଚାମ୍ବର 1 ନମ୍ବର 2 ନମ୍ବର ଗଲାନି ମନା କଲା ବୋଲି ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେଲେ, ଗୋଟେ ନେତା ଯାଇକି ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲା କହିଲେ 1 ନମ୍ବର ରହିବେ, ଜଣେ ଅଫିସର ତ ରହିছে ତମେ 2 ନମ୍ବର ରହିଲେ ହବନି, କ'ଣ ଟିକେ ଡେରି ହେଲା ତ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେଲେ।
Sir.
ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଡିଏନ୍ ପାଢ଼ିକି ଯୋଉ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେଲେ ଯୋଉ ରିଲିଫ କମିଶନର ଥିଲେ
Yes, sir.
ପଲିସି ମାମଲାରେ କେତେ କ'ଣ କରିବ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏଇ ସବୁ କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ର ଜୀବ କିଏ ପଚାରୁଛି? ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ମାଡ଼ା ପଚାରେ କିଏ?
Are you mentally prepared to face all those things?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am.
କେମିତି ପାରିବେ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍? ପାରିବେ? ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍, ଟେଷ୍ଟିଂ କରି ଷ୍ଟଡି
Yes, sir.
ପାରିବେ? ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଫେସ୍ କରିବେ? ସାହସ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
Sir, yes, sir. I have that faith
ଆଉ
and
ଯଦି ମାରିବେ
belief.
ଯଦି
Sir,
ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବେ?
sir, I have all faith on the law and order system and also judiciary. So,
ଏଇ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ୍ ଦେବେ।
sir.
Have you faith on yourself?
You are yourself your
Yes, ma'am.
protection.
No, tell me, have you faith on yourself?
Sir, I draw my strength.
How will you protect
ପୋଲିସ
yourself?
ଉପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପୋଲିସ ଦେବେ, ନିୟମ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେବେ, ସେଠି ଆପଣ ଘର ଜଗିବେ, ଆପଣ ପିଲା ଛୁଆଙ୍କୁ ମାରିବେ ଧରିବେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ, ହଁ ଆପଣ ପୋଲିସ ଜଗି ରହିବ। ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ସରକାର ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ, ପୋଲିସ ବାଲା ଜଗିବ, ସବ୍ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ତହସିଲଦାର ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଅଛି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ? ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି
No, sir.
ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି
Yes.
ହେଲା?
Stick to law, but you have to maintain certain
Yes.
principles of yours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ଆଉ ଭଲ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ। ଭିତରେ
Yes, ma'am.
ତମେ ତମ ଭିତରେ ଯାହା ରଖୁଛ ରଖ,
Yes, ma'am.
ବାହାରକୁ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଶୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍,
Yes, ma'am.
then take action. Okay?
Okay.
Coming to psychology subject.
Yes, ma'am.
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍
Yes, sir.
Some farmers agitation is going on all over India.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is your opinion on it?
Sir, in my opinion, sir, the government is doing the best thing which can be done for the farmers and the farmers agricultural sector, because it is introducing the contract farming concept and also increasing the amount or capacity that can be hoarded by a particular person, so that and also it is trying to introduce the privatization system into the agriculture, so that it will increase the efficiency in that particular sector. Efficiency in the case of the selling capacity, the procurement price, also the farmer will get the maximum value out of its products. But sir, the drawback throughout the process what I observed, sir, the government is unable to convince the farmers community that it is going to be beneficial for them. Sir, somehow they are,
କେମିତି କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିବେ? ଆପଣ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିପାରିବେ?
sir,
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବୋଲେ କ'ଣ?
sir,
ଆପଣ ନେତା ହାତ ଏଠି ବସିବେ,
yes,
ହଁ ଆପଣ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ
Yes, sir.
ଗ୍ରାସରୁଟ୍ ଲେଭେଲରେ କାମ କରିବେ,
Yes,
ଆପଣ
sir.
ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିପାରିବେ? ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ଲକରେ ଲକ୍ଷ 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 ଲୋକ
sir, I believe that there are some mechanisms by the government through which we can reach out the farmers For example, there is a agriculture department in a block. So the extension officers, agricultural extension officers like the district agriculture officer and assistant agriculture officers are there, and also village level workers and VAWs, BLWs also. So they can reach out to the farmers and they can convince them that sir, it is a going and path breaking system is going to be done by the government. So you should support this and cooperate to the government. So this can be the solutions.
ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିବେ?
Sir, we can convince the farmers that the contract farming system is going to bring about a revolutionary system in the agriculture sector. So, and also other aspects like introduction of the private sector in the agriculture sector, it will also enhance their efficiency, and also they will get their maximum value out of it. So, we can convince this way with the people. Sir, as I said, sir, we can convince farmers the benefits coming out of these three farm bills. One thing is contract farming, how it will be beneficial for them, and second thing, sir, the introduction of the private sector to the agricultural sector, so that it will increase the efficiency in the agriculture, which is always a debt-ridden sector. So they will get.
ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ଚାଷୀମାନେ ଭାରତ ବର୍ଷର ଚାଷୀମାନେ ଯେ ମଡର୍ନ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ସବୁ ମଡର୍ନ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ତ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କୁ କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିବା କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
Sir, by and large, all the farmers and all the farming sector involved people have not that much adequate knowledge and efficiency.
ହରିୟାଣା ଚାଷୀମାନଙ୍କର ନାହିଁ ସେ ଜ୍ଞାନ।
Yes, sir. Particularly.
ଟ୍ରାଇ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କ'ଣ ସେଟା?
Sir, particularly Punjab and Haryana farmers have adequate knowledge and efficiency in agricultural sector, sir. Sir, Punjab and Haryana.
सरकार ଯେତିକି ସବସିଡି ଯେତିକି ପ୍ରକାର ବେନିଫିଟ୍ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି, ମିନିମମ୍ ସପୋର୍ଟ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ and other things,
Sir.
do you think that are not sufficient?
Sir, actually,
ସରକାର ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି, ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
sir, government is doing its maximum effort to reach out to the grassroots farmer in every possible way, like you said, sir, through MSP, and also increasing or incentivizing them through modern equipments, and also latest technologies, and also hybrid varieties of seeds, etc. So yes.
Okay, Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
How would study of psychology help in this field of administration?
Yes, ma'am. As psychology as a branch of knowledge studies the human behavior, and other aspects of human life in a social structure, and also in day-to-day life. So while in civil service, it will be easier for me to deal with the public and also the people. So I can easily reach out to them.
What is that will help? When you are creating awareness,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the thing, few things you can apply in psychology in that?
Ma'am, in case of convincing the people about any government schemes, that it will benefit them, how much benefit they are going to get out of it. So I can convince them. I can change their attitude by influencing or motivating the local representatives that you give some leadership skills.
That is your problem solving and creativity.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And what is the difference between attitude and aptitude?
Yes, ma'am. Attitude is I'm unable to recall the exact definition of attitude, but aptitude is the skill to do out a particular problem solving skill.
What is the difference between interest and aptitude?
I'm exactly forgetting the definition, ma'am.
What is memory?
Yes, ma'am. Memory is the exactly. I'm also forgetting.
Depression.
Yes, ma'am. Depression is a type of psychological disorder that is becoming common among the youth and other ages of the society day by day, and it is a anxiety disorder, ma'am.
What is 7 plus minus to chunking?
Yes, ma'am. That is the process of remembering things. For example, when we are remembering a phone number or contact number for a particular person, At the first instance, we can remember first 7 digits, or in some extraordinary circumstances, we can remember another 2 digits.
What is conditioned learning and what is reinforcement learning?
Yes, ma'am. Conditional learning is the classical learning which was given by Ivan B. Pavlov, which shows that, or which explains that the learning is done by a neutral stimulus, and the stimulus is associated with a type of new learning or response.
Okay.
But
What is operant learning?
operant learning is a type of learning in which the individual or organism is involved himself. So it is a type of behavioral learning, ma'am. By reinforcement, he learns by reinforcement. Sir.
ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଐତିହ୍ୟ ସଂସ୍କୃତି ପରମ୍ପରା ଉପରେ ଟିକେ ପ୍ରତି ଦେବେ। ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ। ୱିଶ୍ ୟୁ ଅଲ୍ ଦି ବେଷ୍ଟ।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Personalities, it's okay, everything.
Yes,
Just Roshan Karat.
ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ
Yes, ma'am.
ରିଲେସନ୍ସ ଉପରେ ଟିକେ ପଚାରି ପାରିଲୁନି ଆମେ ବୋଧେ
Sir.
ପଚାରିଛି।
Sir. Ma'am, optional ଟିକେ revision କରିବି.
Okay,
One
interest,
more.
attitude, values. What
Yes.
is value?
Value is a long term thing. One exactly definition, ma'am.
Definition of value, fundamental common values for life. Social values.
Social, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Exactly. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sir.
Those things. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Definition will ask you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.